Alright, so I'm gonna be dropping these videos like flies. A little more and more content between my car and Angel's blue IS. As you can see, she in the back. That foot. I can't zoom in on this. But today, I know I already did a video on this for my last silver is300, which was like 3 years ago. We're gonna put on upper control arms for her car. I got them from Manzo. Yeah, we got them from Manzo, which I heard were the same thing as like Megan Racing. And I guess they all come from China anyway. But I guess they'll work for right now. We just want a little more camera that go with the angle kit that we had put on. And then pretty much I'm gonna just go through it again with you and just see how it goes. So we got these. They look good so far. They look very similar to the Megan ones that I have. They look good. We shouldn't have any complaints. I mean, I would rather these than the Godspeeds. I've had issues with the Godspeeds and heard people have issues with the Godspeeds, but they're gonna go on her bang. And then we're just gonna go from there. So let's get to it. Let's get cracking. All right, so I'm gonna give the rundown again. I did it on my last video, but all you need to do to take out the upper arm is this 17mm bolt, that 14mm bolt, and the same 14 on this side, but I already had took it out. That is all you need to do. They need to hit this motherfucker with a hammer or a tie rod end puller if you have it. Whatever works, that's all you need to do. Nothing else, it comes right out. And then of course you'll have to adjust your camber after that, which will be done there. And that's it. That is all you have to do. That's it. Like I said, it's the same process. I already did a video on it, but this could be part 2.5, I guess, or 1.5. And as you can see, got some camber here. Maybe it's like -4, aiming for like -4.5, but we'll go to an alignment shop and get an alignment done. Same on this side, might be a little more on this side, but we'll see. It also gave us some clearance right there as well, so hopefully that's great. But yeah, boom, 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 all done.